Hello everyone, what's going on? So in this video, I'll be covering the demo for Kaggle Capstone project. If you want more information about the project, you can definitely check out this readme.md file. It has everything about the project. So yeah, now suppose you own a fashion store and you have a fashion advisor as an agent. Now I'm going to simply ask a question, how can I increase my sales? That's it. Now, till this is happening, what I'll cover is I'll cover one more small part, and that is the context engineering that I have covered or implemented in this project, which you can check out in this IPYNB file, which is also present in my GitHub repo. In this, I have used LM Event Summarizer, and I have given it an LLM. And when I ran this, I have already ran this, so you can see the output. Now, after the summarization, it checks. So now, yeah, this is the success that I got that shows that the compaction is successful and the context engineering has been implemented successfully. Now, if I go back to my VS Code, I have also implemented logging plugin. It helps you to debug your whole process. So if you see, uh, it gives you a step-by-step logging at every step. What every agent is doing, like transfer to agent, everything is happening here. Now, this is, let me go back to the UI, the ADK web UI. Yeah. So I asked a question, how can I increase my sales? These two agents ran parallelly. It gave me some data, some latest news, my previous store data, and at the end, it generated a recommendation like how can I increase my sales using what products or what categories. So yeah, it said men's denim jeans, women's handbag, and everything. Now, there is one more small point in this that it also uses as an A2A agent. So if you see transfer to agent, this is the protocol that I used, A2A agent. In that locality, are there any local news that can affect these fashion trends? So this is the whole project that I've created. If you click on any event in this ADK Web UI, you can see the flow, which is the fashion advisor, trending session, and everything. So yeah, this is the whole project. Guys, please check out this readme.md file. It has every step covered, like how to run the project, what is the architecture, what are the folder structure, everything. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's about the project. Thank you.